What's up, guys? We're gonna do a quick unboxing of the AirPods Max. So let's start on it. Let's go ahead and find the sticker and I don't have my mic attached, unfortunately, but there's all the goodness. Alright, so these are my first time actually holding them in person. So let's see. Very nice, very nice. There they are. And we'll go ahead and you have to lift up on the actual case tab. And let's see here. Okay. And now we have the very controversial case. But these look so good. I like the feeling, and I like the case feeling. The case inside. Okay. And let's take these foam things off. Alright. That's a little worrisome, but I think it'll be alright. Very, very sleek. And so I will do a full review when the time comes. But, yeah, very nice. Let me see. They say right and left on the inside. Wow, I can't hear anything, so. But the fit is very nice. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, stick around for the full review. It is coming soon.